Hello students, welcome back with new lecture. Today we are going to solve question number 6 of chapter 1 integers. Question number 6 says a certain freezing process requires that the room temperature is lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Students, here they have told us that certain freezing process, it may be air conditioner, it may be cooler, it may be anything, any freezing process which requires that the room temperature, which is 40 degrees Celsius, is lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. That is, every hour 5 degrees Celsius is reduced from 40 degrees Celsius. And then they asked question, what will be the room temperature? What will be the room temperature after 10 hours if the process begins? When the process begins, after that process begins, 10 hours after, what will be the room temperature? So let us start. What is given? Room temperature is equal to 40 degrees Celsius. That is given. What else it is given? Change in temperature. Change in temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius per hour. Why minus? Because it is reducing, right? 5 degree is reducing every hour. Now, how many hours after they told us what will be the room temperature? 10 hours. So if the change in temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius per hour, therefore change in temperature after 10 hours is equal to what? 10 multiplied by minus 5, right? So it will become minus 50 degree Celsius. This will be the temperature of the freezing process after 10 hours. Now they asked us what will be the room temperature. Therefore, I will write therefore the room temperature after 10 hours is equal to, it was 40, and since we have taken minus before, so I will write plus minus 50 degree Celsius. It was 40 degrees Celsius, and then we add minus 50 degrees Celsius. So here we are adding two integers with unlike sign. So we will subtract the numerical value. 50 minus 40 is 10, and give the sign of the larger integer. So minus 10 degree Celsius. So our answer is minus 10 degree Celsius. The room temperature after 10 hours is equal to minus 10 degree Celsius. Hope you have understood this lecture, students. If not, please go through it once more. We will meet with new lecture, with new video lecture in further videos. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.